not, back in the day, I was actually a certified personal trainer. I would do individual clients and I would teach group fitness. I did group fitness the best. I really enjoyed it. But I had some philosophies and some attitudes that I kept with me and I passed on to the audience. So whether they listened or believed me or not, I couldn't tell you. But one of those attitudes was there's no such thing as maintenance. You're either gaining weight or you're losing weight. And now I may have to eat those words because I am in a phase of swallows hard, gulp, maintenance. I am in the maintenance phase. I've actually reached my goal with the intermittent fasting and the exercise, the walking, the sleep, the C60, and a bunch of supplements. So give credit where I believe credit is due. So I'm in that range between 166 and 169, closer to 166 actually. So that is what I want to maintain, and from here on out I can start working on inches, you know, increasing the muscular inches and decreasing the fat inches, the flab inches. So of course I often realize that when I am adamant about a philosophy or an attitude, that I'm going to have to eat my words in the future. And it's been a long enough time so these words are stale and rotten, but I gobbled them up anyway, man. Maintenance does exist, but only after you've reached your goals.